Welcome to EDU World Space.
The torque due to a force is defined as the force into the lever arm L. So, for the wrench uh, on which the force is applied at the end, this is F1, and another force is F2 of the same magnitude along the same direction. So, for the force F1, the lever arm, this length L1 is greater, and this is L2. Since lever arm L1 is greater than L2, therefore the torque produced by F1 at the end is greater. So we can say, since the lever arm for the force at the end of the wrench at the end of the wrench is greatest, it produces greatest torque.